The coronavirus is changing how we interact as humans. As social beings, we would like to be together and talking, but for now we have to remain 6 feet apart, and in some states, we're stuck to our homes. Thankfully, some of us are getting creative. Maybe you've been to a virtual happy hour recently via Zoom meeting, Google Hangouts, or FaceTime. Or if you have some techie friends, they may have invited you over for a virtual dinner party. One activity that I think all people in my age group can find as a bonding experience is watching a flick on Netflix. And we will not let the coronavirus stop us from doing this together, even though we have to remain apart. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to install the Netflix Party app so that you, yes you, can watch Netflix shows and movies with your friends. In order to get started, we're going to go to the Netflix Party page, which I'll have linked below in the description. Right away, you'll see a button for Get Netflix Party for free, and click on that. Yes, this is a free service. We click on that, and then we add it to Chrome as an extension. This is a Chrome browser extension, so you cannot use it on Microsoft Edge or Firefox. You have to be on Chrome. Once we click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, it will install. And there we go. It gives us the directions for getting our first Netflix party started. What you have to do then is go to Netflix. I thought it was appropriate to pick out the movie Life as We Know It because COVID-19. Once you have your movie picked out, you will see that the icon in the upper right for Netflix Party has turned to red, and that means you're ready to go. Click on that. Once you click on that icon, you will be given the chance to say only I have control if you don't trust your friends and don't want them messing with the settings. Since I'm a trusting guy, I will click Start Party. At this point, it gives me a URL. I can copy that URL and then send it to my friends, and then they will be in the same watch party as I am. Once everyone has joined in via the link, I can start the movie, and then they can chat through the chat bar on the side, as you can see here. The nice part about using this service rather than trying to sync up your videos independently is that you're all going to be watching the same point in the movie, so you can react together, and one person won't be able to spoil it for the rest of the people in the group. Now, this service is free. If you want to donate to their cause and help support Netflix Party, you can become a patron and go support them there. If you liked using this service, I encourage you to check out others on the market. My personal fave is Scener, because you can actually use your webcam and see each other's facial expressions while watching the movie. This one also works with Amazon. If you want something similar to Netflix Party for Hulu and YouTube, you can use the service MetaStream, and this will allow you to have that same chat functionality while watching those videos with your friends. And lastly, if you want to stream Amazon Prime or HBO Now and YouTube, you can use the service 27, which again has that same chat functionality as Netflix Party. All these services are Chrome extensions, so make sure that you're using your Chrome browser. I hope this helps you stay social during your COVID-19 quarantine. I know that my friend group is set to watch a movie together, and I'm excited to interact with them in this new and techie way. That's all I have for today, folks. If you have any questions on installing these programs, please do comment those below. I will have all the links in the description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to drop a like and also click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.